This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the Accelerated Intro to CS course. I'm on the lesson The Maze. Let's see what we have. There's a way I can get to the Selly Pig using only 2 blocks. Can you figure it out? And you can tell here, we've already used 1 block here, right? Which is when run. They want us to only use 3, so we have 2 blocks left if we want to keep it to 3. All right, only use 2 blocks. Well, we obviously could just do this, but I'm not thinking that will, and feel free to test code a bunch. Yeah, that's not going to get us far enough. So let's see what else we have. We have a turn left, but I don't need to turn it straight ahead, and turn right. But then I have the repeat 5 times loop, it is called. It's a repeat block, I guess. And what happens is any code inside of this pink area, well, it will repeat. So it's kind of hugging our move forward now. And when the computer hits this, it goes, okay, I need to do this 5 times. Move forward. Up, bottom of the loop. Move forward. Okay, that's twice. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. And then if we had code below it, it would just keep running that code. So this should make us go forward 5 times and only use the 3 blocks. Ta-da! Awesome. Let's keep going.